Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. Family, today during the cross-examination of Muzi Sibiya by Advocate Sibanda, Muzi Sibiya requested to see his warning statement, the one that he signed. But unfortunately, according to Advocate Sibanda, his understanding was that Muzi was requesting for the arresting statement. He makes it available to Muzi only to find that is not the document Muzi was requesting to see. And then Advocate Mshololo objects to that by saying Advocate Sibanda is not allowed to show Muzi that statement. And you know, the judge, as the judge, always intervenes. Then there's a squabble between the judge and Advocate Mshololo. It got so heated, family. Let's watch this video to the end.
Yes, that is what I am still maintaining, that I was from court, and from the court I was taken to the police station. Then that's when I was charged.
That is the arresting statement.
Incwadi le ebekade bekubopha ngayo. This one is my first time seeing it, my lord.
In conclusion,
It does not even have my signature.
yes, arresting statement, because you're not a police officer, can never have your signature.
Uthi incwadi leyo igcwaliswe yiphoyisa ngeke ibe nesignature yakho.
Kosekaton sacela bengibhekela i-statement lese esibhalwa i-date engichargewa ngayo.
My lord, can I please be shown a statement which shows the date of when I was charged?
Let us conclude.
This is statement,
that is the
warning
statement I
statement.
presented to you.
Uthi yiso lesi, and the accused is saying he would like to see a warning statement. Uthi akazi ukuthi ummeli wakho uzovuma na ukuthi uboniswe leso statement okhuluma ngaso.
That's a document you showed him just now. What was it? You say it's an arresting.
It's an arresting statement.
By which which policeman?
Sergeant Mahula.
Yeah, show him.
No, it is from there already.
Well, now he says he wants to see it. Maybe it's from there, but he didn't see it. What's the problem now?
No problem, my lord.
What exhibit is that? That's a statement by Mohola.
The request is that you just want to see the warning statement.
Yeah. No, just that statement you say it's an arresting statement from Mohola. Where is it? Mr. Sibande, where's the statement? You
I took
handed,
it back to the investigation.
can we have the copy of that, please? Himadot? Sure. Is that the statement you handed over to the lady there?
Yes,
That lady?
with Sergeant Mahula.
Yeah, but where is the statement now? Can I have a look at it? Hey, you know, black people refuse with knowledge. That's why in Yanga Zabantu they die with all the knowledge. I mean, can I have a look at that? Give it to the police gentleman there.
No, they want to see it first.
Who wants to see it first?
naso inkantolo ifuna ukusibona.
Because I don't have it now, I'll read it into the record. First Lawyer's case number 636-10-2014, A212. Batubakai Baina Mahola, under oath states, on oath in English, I'm a female police officer with service, and then he mentions his service number. My rank is that of a sergeant attached to the Office of the National Commission of Cold Cases Investigation, and it states her cell number. On Monday, the 26th of October 2020, at approximately 10:55, I was on official duty and I arrested Mazikani Kusle Stemba Sibiya on the warrant of arrest under First Lawyer's case 636-10-2014 at Moda B, Department of Correctional Services. I informed him of his constitutional rights under Section 35, Act 103 of 1996, and he understood the SAP S414A/R 64161104. The suspect is free from injuries. I know and understand the content of the statement. I have no objection to taking the prescribed oath, and she has signed it, and it is stamped with a South African police stamp, and the commissioning officer is Muzi, somebody. Mahan. Just interpret for the
Uthi
gentleman
ke
there.
nasi ke inkantolo iyasifunda lesa statement lesibesilethwe la. Statement sokuboshwa ngale langa uzebe uboshwa. Statement esibhalwe nge-10 zika nge-26 zika October la ukuthi iphoyisa uSergeant Batubakai Mukhula yena uthi uye wakubopha laphayana ejele la ukuthi ubekade ephethe incwadi egunyaza ukuthi wena uboshwe wakubopha eModa B ejele la khona kula ukuthi yena uye wakutshela amalungelo wakho ukuya ngomthetho sesekelo wena uye wawazwisisa lawo malungelo wena wawukade ungalimelanga futhi yena uyazwisisa ukuthi lesi statement lesi usiyenza efungile akanayo inkinga nokufunga ukuthi uzokhuluma iqiniso.
And what's the date? Sorry, just interpret the date also.
As the court pleases. Please borrow me.
On the stamp.
I-date ke iye yashawa istamp nge-26 zika October 2020 ngo-2 emini eBinoni sasayindwa futhi nawo Sergeant Mukhani.
Okay. Yes, sir. That is apparently the arresting statement.
My Lord, I object.
Hello?
My Lord, I object on the basis of fairness, that the witness cannot be referred to the statement that was made by the arresting officer.
Which statement must he be referred to?
The statement that has just been read into the
Yeah,
record.
which, yeah, I hear you.
It was
Yeah.
made by the
Arresting officer.
Arresting
Yeah.
officer, not in front of this witness. He has no knowledge of the statement.
No, fine. I never said he has knowledge of whatever. I just said, where is the arresting statement? Mr. Sebande, hello, just stand up. You told this court that there is an arresting statement. Hello?
Yes, because he
Right.
requested for it.
I'm not involved in wanting somebody to go to jail. Now, after that, Mr. Sibiya says, no, if you can show me that arresting statement, if you can show it to me. Then I said, where is it? Apparently he had given it to the lady there. Took time to get it. After he gets it, I say, apparently this is what they say. You say it's unfair.
My Lord, with due respect, my Lord, I understand what the Lordship is.
Don't accuse me of being a crook.
No, my Lord, I'm not.
No, just listen to me. You must never. I've been 50 years in the profession. I've never been accused of being a crook.
My Lord, I'm not accusing this.
What are you accusing me of?
But my Lord, I am asking this court to listen to this. The accused, when he said, unless if I can be showed a statement wherein I was arrested on that day. Then my question is, my Lord, the statement that has been presented, my Lord, to the accused, is not the statement that was made by the accused, it was made by the arresting officer.
Nobody said the accused made an arresting statement. He's not a policeman. What are you saying?
As the court reads.
Oh, it's long since him, eh?
My Lord,
Just wait, Mr. Just sit down. This witness never said he made an arresting statement. Don't misconstrue Izintolap, please. He said he wanted to see the arresting statement. And Sibande, and I'm not involved in this nonsense. Sibande is the person who says there is an arresting statement. He wants to see it. They look for it, they can't find it, ultimately it is found. And I say, I want to see that statement because I don't have a copy of it. And there's no exhibit of this. Is that not so, sir? That's it. I read it to the court ngoba kunamgunyathi kimi, so that everybody can hear what it says. After it is read, I say they must interpret it for Mr. Sibiya. It is interpreted for her. And you say, I'm unfair. I'm unfair. So, they are saying that is the arresting statement.
Kuthiwa yiso lesi statement esenzwe ngalesikhathi uboshwe.
You can make your comment if you want to, sir.
Uma ingabe ungathanda ukuphawula ungaphawula ngaso le statement eniqeda ukutolikela sona.
Nkosi Katolo,
Yeah.
lesi statement lesi sibhalwe yiphoyisa and sihambisana nalento engisho ukuthi iphoyisa layiletha kimi ngalolu suku lwe-26 October. Akuhambisani nokuchargewa kwami ukufaka kwami iminwe. Inkosi Katolo ngicela ukuthi ingitholele la engafaka khona iminwe ukuze sizothola le date le engachargewa ngayo eFosforus.
My Lord, this statement was made in October and it corroborates what I have said that this was brought to me on the 26th of October. This is not the statement when I had placed my fingerprints, which I was charged on that particular day. May I please see a document where I had placed my fingerprints where I was charged in Fosloras, my Lord?
Okay, Mr. Sibande, the witness, Mr. Sibiya wants to see a statement where he placed his fingerprints on. You call it an arresting statement, the one
Ile ncwadi
they
bowusho
used
ngayo
to present
uthi
you when they were arresting you,
le ebakunike yona ngalesikhathi bekubopha
or when they were charging you, which is
noma usho ngalesikhathi bekucharger.
Ngisho lesikhathi bengifaka ama fingerprint bethi bayangicharge ngaleli cala lika Senzo.
yeah, he wants
The
to see
time-
that document, sir.
Yes, my Lord.
My apologies, my Lord. Can Advocate Mshololo refrain from what she's doing? I could hear from where I'm standing shouting, warning, warning. With the greatest respect to
She's
her
shouting what,
and
Ms.
this court.
Mshololo?
Warning, warning.
To
Who
whom?
is the witness? To the witness.
She's warning the witness, warning.
To answer in that fashion by implication.
Mr. Mshololo, but they say you're being in contempt of the proceedings.
My Lord, I've got witnesses who are just next to me. If
Yeah,
they had me.
I'm just telling you, he is saying you are in contempt of the proceedings. You know you don't have to assist your client when he's in the box, telegraphing questions and answers to him, or making gestures or signs. At least that was the law I was taught.
And it's wrong, my lord, to make wrong submissions about counsel when he's sitting in court and he has not done that.
Mr. Sibanda says you just did that. I didn't see you. He says, your colleague, he says you did it.
My lord, I've said I've got witnesses next to me here. They can testify that I've never done that.
Right, yeah, let's proceed. So the witness says he wants to see the document where he appended, or his thumbs.
Family, when we thought it was over, this is what Judge Ratha says to Advocate Mshololo just a few minutes before they go for lunch. Let's listen.
Just not sure if this is the document where he was charged. However, we have just also together read on the statement regarding interview, which is now paragraph number 2, which speaks of the matter of Senzo Meyiwa, which occurred on the 26th of... No,
fine.
he said I should please read for him what is written. He just wanted to know what is this document for.
It's the first time you see that document.
Uyaqala ukuyibona le ncwadi?
Yaqala, my lord.
Yes,
Your
my lord, is my
advocate
first
and
time.
your attorney never showed you that document.
Ummeli wakho abazange bakubonise yona le ncwadi.
Unokubonisa izinto eziningi kakhulu. So le angazi noma isuke ikhona noma isuke ingekho. Izinto ziningi kakhulu la amaphepha lapha kuwe.
There are a lot of documents that they have shown me. Therefore, I am not sure if this is part of the documents that the defense had showed me as well.
But is that the document you say you wanted to see your fingerprints thereon,
Kodwa yiyo le ncwadi
testifying to the fact that you are being charged or you were
lebe
charged?
lebe uthe ufuna ukubona ithupha zakho labe kade uchargwa khona.
Akusiyona Nkosekatola, azikho
Okay,
ithupha zami.
fine,
It is not the document as the fingerprints are not there, my lord.
fine.
Le ine date ye 23 zika July.
This one shows the
2020.
date of the 23rd of July 2020.
Yeah, okay, fine. It is not the document.
Kusho ukuthi
You are
akusiyo
referring
lebe
to.
uyifuna.
Nkosekatola bengithi bazongibonisa la engishaye khona i2. So nayo le angiyazi noma ihambisana nayo na.
My lord, I was thinking that I would be shown a document where my fingerprints were taken. I'm not sure if this document is also part of that particular document that shows the fingerprints that were taken.
No, fine. Then you can return that document.
It's returned, my lord.
Where did you get it from, Mr. Mgobezulu?
No, from Sergeant Mokola.
Or Sergeant Mohola?
Yes. My lord, I will have no further questions for this witness.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Mgobezulu?
My lord, it's 521.
Okay, you understand, Jen?
Yes, my lord, so that I can...
Uthi umshushisi sekaqedile akasenayo imibuzo angabuza yona. Kusafuneka manje ummeli azokubuza imibuzo kodwa sekuyisikhathi sokuthi siphume siye lunchini sizobuya.
Ms. Mshololo, this is what I'm going to say to you. I've been on the bench for 20 years. I've practiced as an attorney for 30 years. I've never ever been accused of being a crook or dishonest. I was trained by, amongst others, Charles Casson, Mohammed, Bezos. They taught me to be honest in this profession.
My lord,
No, I'm just telling you who I am.
My lord, I'm also an advocate.
Yeah, fine.
I'm also
Please don't answer me,
representing-
please.
I'm also defending the accused.
Yeah,
I
fine.
raised an objection on the basis of fairness. I have a right also
You-
to stand up
Fine.
and raise that objection.
Fine, you have.
We all have different experiences.
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Okay, we come back at 2.
Family, did it really have to go this far? Sometimes Judge Ratha needs to, try and control his emotions. Because to be honest, this is uncalled for. He was not supposed to go this far. Family, thank you very much for watching this video to the end. Please do not forget to like it before you leave Subscribe for my channel if you haven't done so yet. Family, I love you so much and see you on my next upload. Bye.